Remember, kid, there's heroes and there's legends. Heroes get remembered, but legends never die.
Oh, hey, buddy. What's up? Today, what are we doing today? Well, we're going to get back to this rat rod. Wait, what? I know. The rat rod? I didn't forget about it. Oh, man. It's just, I haven't really had the want to finish it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I get it. But why now? Because now I want to work on it. I don't know. Okay. So what are we doing to the rat? Well, I'm looking for gauges in this magazine. Okay. And I'm going to use those gauges to go on the dashboard. Okay, I got you. Because we're going to work out this steering system finally. Well, let's do it. So these are the best round gauges of that scale with two unobstructed. So I'm going to take those two and cut those out and make some gauges. Just that easy, huh? I didn't say it was easy, but it's pretty easy. So now that we got the gauges, we need some bezels. The gauge bezels. Now for the bezels, we're just going to use some springs. Wait. Springs? Yes, springs. How are you going to use springs? Why do you always ask me how do I do something when I'm obviously going to show you how I do it? I mean, I don't every time. All you got to do is sit back and watch. Okay. Watch. What is wrong with you? My bad, buddy. Yeah. But I'm going to use the ends of the springs for the bezels. Okay. So I'm putting Elmer's glue on this styrene plastic so that I can attach my gauges, and later on I could peel them up once I'm done designing them and making them and all that. Peel them up. I'm not asking you how to do it. I'm just emphasizing what you just said. It's because the Elmer's glue won't bond to the plastic. Oh, okay. So I can go ahead and make the gauges and put super glue on them and all that, and then later peel them up because the Elmer's glue works as like a little barrier. Oh. And it'll be like a like a sticker, you know? I mean, very interesting. But yeah, you get it. I do get it. So now that we got the super glue on the gauges, we're gonna go ahead and put the bezels on. The springs. Yeah, the springs. So this is for the rat rod, right? Yeah, this is for the rat rod. Okay, just making sure. So now before the super glue dry, we wanna make sure the bezels are perfect. They look good to me. Yeah, just really a little bit more. Wow. I mean, just a tad bit to the left. This is crazy. Yeah. Let it go, right? Just let it go. So now, after those dry, we're gonna go ahead and use this Mod Podge to give it some dimension. Oh wow. And through the magic of YouTube, snow magic, they're done. So now, we're just gonna peel them up like we described earlier. Okay, I gotta see that's why we use the Elmer's glue. We just gotta work it loose a little bit, right? And pop right on off. Okay. Now once you clean up all the super glue around the edges, you have you some nice gauges. I'm gonna admit, I really didn't think that was gonna work. You didn't? I thought you had actually glued them to the styrene, but you know, I see that I was wrong. I bet that happens quite a bit, huh? No. So here are our two gauges. Yep. As you can see, there's quite a bit to clean up around the edges. I'll say. I'm just gonna use scissors and cut that on off, and there you go. Voila. Look pretty nice, if you ask me. I didn't ask. I mean, I know you're not asking me, but nope. If you was to ask me, but I'm not. Yeah. What are you doing? Come on. This dash, it took a long time for me to design, because I had to figure out the steering components. I wanted it all to be like mechanical, very mechanical. Because it's a rat, you know, because it's a rat rod, and I want it to be functional. Oh, definitely. Because I got the steering, you know, I got the wheels to where they steer, so why not make, you know, the steering wheel turn? Gotta keep going. All that took a long time to design. I did it in brass because I didn't want any of the parts to wear out and come loose and all that. Oh yeah, I hear you. I am definitely proud to be done with this dashboard. Okay, well let me check it out. Let me see what you got. So now I'm just super gluing this wood face to the brass dash, and I just went ahead and stained it with some Vallejo washes. You know, I used a couple of washes Now I wasn't really going for any particular effect on the wood. I just wanted it to look aged a little bit, you know. And it don't look that aged. It looked kind of new, but it looked better than it did, so I'm good with wow. Now that we got the dash in place, it's time to put the gauges on. Oh yeah, I almost forgot about the gauges. Yeah, you can't forget about the gauges. So what is that contraption you're using right now? Oh, those are just tweezers with a magnifier attached to it. Oh. It actually gets in the way. Really? And I've been tempted to rip the magnifier off of the tweezers. Oh my. And just use the tweezers, but you know, I figured I bought them and I'll go ahead and use them a little bit longer before I tear them up. Huh. Okay. Well, I wasn't really expecting all that, but no, you wasn't. I was gonna compliment you and say they look pretty nice. Oh, thanks, buddy. Yes, yeah. Now, let's move on to the second part of the steering system. Let's go. We'll be putting the finishing touches on it. And you mean you'll be coloring it with a marker? Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah. Now getting this whole thing together took up a lot of space on my camera, but yep. The beauty of editing is, you know, I can cut all that out, scram, and you get to see me put this on and put that on and solder this, and voila. Don't be using my word. There you have it. Thank you. Oh wow, the steering wheel is moving. Yep. And the front end, yes sir. Ain't it about time for like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Tell your friends, tell your family, tell your enemies, tell everybody.